Despite the damage his obsession with the king title has caused, Beenie Man still has the opportunity to salvage his legacy. Here are a few ways he can do so. Embrace his role as a dancehall elder. Instead of fighting for the crown, Beenie Man should take on the role of a mentor, helping to guide the next generation of dancehall artists. This would earn him respect and solidify his status as a foundational figure in the genre. Rather than engaging in public disputes, he should let his music do the talking. A strong album or major collaboration could remind fans why he is one of the greatest dancehall artists of all time. Acknowledge the evolution of dancehall. Recognizing that dancehall has changed and that newer artists like Vybz Kartel have also made significant contributions would demonstrate maturity and respect for the genre's growth. Expand beyond the genre. Venturing into business, cultural ambassadorship, or even film could help him remain relevant beyond music. Avoid unnecessary conflicts. Rather than engaging in feuds over the title, he should focus on celebrating dancehall success as a whole. Beenie Man is undeniably one of the greatest dancehall artists of all time. His contributions to the genre are legendary, and his influence can still be felt today. However, his obsession with holding onto the King of Dancehall title has overshadowed his achievements, making him appear insecure rather than confident in his legacy. Instead of engaging in endless debates over a title that fans will ultimately decide, Beenie Man should focus on embracing his legendary status, making great music, and supporting the next generation of artists. Only then can he ensure that his legacy remains untarnished, and that he is remembered not just as a self-proclaimed king, but as a true icon of dancehall music.